How to configure SSL VPN on Cisco RV340 router. First of all, navigate to VPN section on RV340 router. Go to SSL VPN. In SSL VPN, you will see option like off. So turn it to on. Choose the public IP interface like on WAN or WAN 2 is listening on public IP. Choose one. Give the IP range. Give the port number on which the SSL VPN will listen. Select the certificate, most probably select the default one, or if you have custom certificate, you can select the custom certificate. Choose the client address pool. Next is the subnet. This subnet is WASP. And next is a banner message, like which banner message you want to show on your VPN client when they are going to connect to this SSL VPN. Second thing comes with a group policy. So you have to create a group policy here. Suppose group policy, I add it here like SSL VPN, SSL VPN. So default gateway and primary DNS is the router IP, and description you want to give, you can give the description and all. Second thing comes here is a split tunneling setting. So I will create here, I will enable it split tunneling and include the traffic which I want to look in. Suppose I will include 192.168.1.0 series. I want to include the 192.168.2.0 this series, and 192.168.172.31.1.0 this series I want to enable in my split tunneling, and I will click on apply. So it will add one group here. If I apply here, it will be added in the group policy like SSL VPN. SSL VPN default is there. I have added one new one. Once this is added and your Cisco SSL VPN server is enabled, you can navigate to the system configuration. Here you can create a user group. User group, you can create SSL VPN group, where you can choose the user, like user 1 will be uh, added to this group, and you can select the SSL VPN profile. You can permit the other VPN profiles as well, but here I am configuring the SSL VPN. I will select the SSL VPN profile. SSL VPN profile I have just created. I will select it here and will click on apply. Once this is applied, this I am applying on the employee group. So any user which belongs to the employee will be granted to connect to the SSL VPN with the username and password. So I want to restrict it here like a group of any connect which are in any connect group, those only can join the SSL VPN. So I have created one group here, any connect. So if I add this user in any connect, I will change this user to any connect group. So this user one will be only connecting to the SSL VPN and will not access the other services of the router. So once this is done, you can download the Cisco AnyConnect on your phone or on your system, and then you can connect simply by giving the address and the port number, and this is how it works. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.